Okay, here is part 2 on how to make a three-dimensional sculpture using Zentangle papers. So you have designed all of your Zentangle papers. Remember, you cut them out into a rectangle. And then to assemble them, you should be working on a piece of newspaper. You take your glue, and you put glue, remember, on one of the edges. It can be the long edge or the short edge. Just don't put more glue. Don't go more than halfway down the paper. So you make sure you have enough glue, or else your papers are not going to stick together. Then once you're done, cap your glue. You need a colored pencil, and you're going to roll the paper around the colored pencil, and then you're going to hold it nice and tight and count to maybe 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then slide the pencil out and use it for another one. I have collected up a whole bunch of these little cylinder sticks. Once you have enough, you should have at least 2 full papers, and if you do 2 full papers, I'll give you one of my own. Then I'm going to take this glue that's really sticky, and I'm going to be using a popsicle stick, and I'm going to take a little bit of glue. Oh, wait a minute. First thing I need to do is write my name on the back of this paper, and I need to put my class on there. So whatever class you're in starts with a 2. Miss Nord is an N. Miss Kelly is a K. Then I'm going to turn this over. Then I'm going to take this really sticky, icky glue, and I'm going to place some of the glue on one end of one of my sticks. Whoops, it's going to be messy. So be working on a newspaper, and then put your stick down. It should stand up. Now watch, it falls over. So the way you can keep that from happening is to decide on 2 that can lean together. So I'm going to take more glue, and I'm going to put some glue at the top, and I'm going to stick it to another one. Now I'm going to put some more glue at the bottom, and I'll stick that one inside of that glue. Give them some time to stop, like so they hold together. Now you can see that they look like a triangle. If they're not standing up, then you need a little more glue, and you need to spread it on the edge. You keep working in that way. It's a good idea to start with a triangle shape. So I'm going to put some at the bottom of this tube, and I'm going to put some at the top while I have it in my hand. Don't be afraid to put a little bit more than you think you need, because it's tacky glue. Try not to touch it with your hands, because it will get very sticky. If you do, stop what you're doing and wash them. And then you just keep building on. Maybe you want to put one this way. Maybe you want to put a 4th one. You just keep building your sculpture up until the whole thing gets nice and tall.